All right. I think it's good. I think it's going. I'll be right back. Yo, what up, JC? Oh, you're Yeah, you are JC then. You're Draco? Yeah, bro. So you are the one that loves Build a Boat. That's your favorite game. Which I think is awesome and funny at the same time. What up, dog? I want to get some work done, dude. I really want to get this game done. I'm so close. I have the smallest list left, which is just... So what we have left is watering can boost, which is almost done. Shop stock system, which isn't going to take long. And then game and dev products. And then it's just making the models from there, bro. And then we're good to go. And then we can just, like, push ads to the game. So... we're almost done with it, bro. Almost. You're lagging out. Damn, that sucks, bro. Well, the stream helps good on my end, I think, so. Yeah. Twitch gang? Yeah, bro. Are you on Twitch? Do you like the... Bro, people been liking Twitch a lot more than YouTube, bro. Like, people fuck with Twitch, bro. Like, I don't know. Like, it is... Like, I've never really, like, been on Twitch like that. But from, like, the short amount of time I've been on it, Twitch is actually kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the hate is understandable that the hate it gets, because they be doing some weird stuff sometimes, but... like, as a streaming platform, it's dope. I'm trying to think of what we're gonna do. What are you up to, though, bro? What's sevens? I thought that you were, like... What happened to... What happened to, whatchamacallit? Eggs. What happened to eggs, bro? I keep losing train of thought. Water boost, that's what I need to do. Seven's my OG name. Got you. Got you, bro. Yeah, we need to finish this water boost, bro. How are you doing on that tower defense, bro? You know, Malachi started a tower defense because the guy in our server, Guest made a tower defense that we played. I don't know if you saw that, but it was pretty good too. I'm not gonna lie. I never really played a tower defense, so I don't have anything to compare it to. But his UI and UX was lit. You mod for GAG? Yeah, dude, totally. I'm Jandel, bro. Come on. I'm Jandel, bro. Come on. Come on. Dudes are literally Jandel out here. Dudes are literally Jandel out here, bro. What is this? I keep forgetting what this freaking app is called. This is like so crazy. EXP. Candy, you want a Candy Blossom? Do you think that I'll give that to you? I haven't worked much. I haven't worked much since I am on vacation, and I tried to work on the plane and studio won't run without Wi-Fi. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know why you thought you would get away with that. I don't know why you thought that would happen. You said you want. There's your blossom right there. Yeah, sure, you can have a Candy Blossom. Come on, bro. Alright, so we're gonna do some work now. I need to do some work. Yeah. I'm like hardcore procrastinating right now, bro. I'm so close to being done. You already know, bro. The Crazy Dinosaur 9? Fuck. The Crazy Dinosaur 9? That's wild. Yo, what up, RZ? RZ, you don't like Twitch? You prefer YouTube over Twitch? Everybody else prefers Twitch. I don't think you needed Wi-Fi since I thought server and client were simulated on the PC and studio. Got you. Got you. Yeah, you need Wi-Fi to run studio. I only know that because I've tried to run it without. Twitch has so many ads. Do they? I never noticed. YT is better. Dude, as soon as this channel can run ads, I'm gonna fucking litter it with ads, bro. I'm just gonna litter it with ads, bro. Yeah. You have to connect to Roblox servers to log into your account in studio. You have YouTube Premium? Got you. Ta-da! That's lit. Yeah, I would. Get your bag. Yeah, I'm thinking so. Like, why not? Just litter it with ads, bro. Like, not like every freaking... Bro, on Twitch, it's crazy. You're right, though. Like, Twitch... I've tried watching Twitch a few times, and I just don't, because it's like you get ads. You get like 5 minutes of ads every 2 minutes. How the fuck are you supposed to consume content on that thing, bro? You're consuming products. Like, fuck. All my assets were gone, so I had like 1,000 errors. Damn, bro. I'm back. I'm playing GTA 5 right now. That sounds lit. RZ, how'd your workout go, bro? Like, did you do that stuff we talked about or not? All right, have a good night. Have a good night, Egg. How many hours you work a day? Like kind of like a fair amount. Like a fair amount, to be honest, because I do work off stream too. Because I think stream is distracting. So sometimes I will also do work off of the stream when I'm not streaming. But streaming's good because it keeps you from getting burnt out. That's why I started it, to be honest, just to see how it would go, and it's been good. Yo, what up, Fastlocks? What up, bro? Fastlocks, we on the Twitch now, my guy. We on the Twitch now. I saw you working earlier today and right now, and I imagine you work other time too. Yeah, I do. I put in a fair amount of work. Sometimes I'll be like coding 60 plus hours a week, bro. Sometimes. Yo, thanks for the follow, Mag. Am I sharing my screen? I am. We're finishing up this yeah, we're finishing up this let me see if I can turn the music down. It's just a little, it's a tad loud. That's kind of lit. That's like a lit volume, no? It's like a lit volume. I'm trying to think of where I'm going. Yo, Fastlocks, are you getting Visual Studio, bro? Are you copping that or what? Let's check on your oh, yo, check out this game. Okay, bro, like dead ass, bro. I'm not like, after I get some success with a project, which I'm assuming is going to be this like cash grab grow a garden game that I'm making, because it actually is going to be engaging and easy as fuck to play. So I'm assuming it's going to have some type of success. It's not just going to like have no success, right? It's kind of like impossible at that point, especially if I'm forcing it into the algorithm with ads. But anyways, once I get success, bro, no VS, you're wilding, bro. You gotta get on that, honestly. You gotta get on that, bro. It's gonna increase your productivity of a shit ton. And you work just as much as me, damn near, if not as much. So yeah, you should get on that, bro. I feel like I work less now that I stream though, because I do be getting distracted from stream a lot. But yeah. Yo, Fast, you gotta get on that VS, bro. This game right here, though, is actually like, it seems good. I just didn't know how to play it. It was just weird. It was kind of chaotic and weird. I was like, what do I do? I didn't understand the objective. But yeah, I'm at 4 stars right now. They keep trying to kill me. What? What are you saying? 4 stars of what? You have passive income, or you only do jobs? So I've worked for multiple companies for years, and now I'm trying to create my create my own game, have success with my own game. What is this game? So it's Crab Royale, and it didn't just came out, but I'm fairly certain like it just got into a state where they now are driving traffic. Because I mean, created over a year ago, only 500 visits though, with over 200 active, and it got recommended to me. So I feel like now is when it's, you know what I mean, and it was updated recently. So I feel like now is where they're trying to drive traffic. But it's a decent game. It's just, it's not clear what to do. I don't get it. The trailer's really nice. I love the trailer. I love the trailer. The trailer's really nice, but the gameplay is just kind of confusing. I'm gonna hop in for like 5 seconds, then we're gonna go back to work. But yeah. I don't know, bro. I feel like this game could be amazing, though. I feel like this game could be amazing. It's just... And then I get littered with UI. Like, look at this, bro. I'm being littered with all this UI, bro. And it's actually chaotic, and it's not very clean. So I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Like, and me personally, like, there's all this going on in the background, and like the UI is just not as smooth or clear as I'd like it to be. But anyways, pick a team, okay. And then I don't know what you're supposed to do. So the first time I played it, I was in like some weird boss fight. But yeah, and then I feel like I feel like this is exaggerated too. Oh shit. Oh shit. So we're actually killing each other now. So there's a boss fight one. Looks like a niche shooter. Yeah. I think so too. It's like, but it's like actually engaging. Okay, that's weird. That shit was fucking buggy. What the fuck is happening? I am so shit. I am so shit. Holy, I am so dog shit at this game right now. But back to my point though is like I'm gonna make a shooter. Like I'm gonna make some type of fun game. I don't know about a shooter, but some type of fun game, bro. I'm gonna my next project once I get success is not gonna be another dead project that I just don't enjoy making. It's gonna be something fun, bro. And I don't even know if I really want to finish Sumo Ball. I personally don't even like Sumo Ball anymore, even though people think I should finish it and push it out. You want to make a fun game? Me too, bro. Me too. Yeah, that's the whole thing. What's the whole thing? Is this my teammate? I think the greens are my team. But I don't know, like, these icons on the bottom, I don't understand. I don't know how to use those or interact with those. Uh, Making a fun game? Yeah. Well, dude, I don't know if you enjoy working on your projects. I wouldn't personally. Like the type of projects you work on, I would fucking hate working on. Like even the projects I've been working on, I don't really like working on. Like they're okay, but they're not like fun to me. Honestly, the funnest project I worked on was Sumo Ball. But even then, like I don't know, I just like I'm over it. But I just want to like focus on making like really fun gameplay. I think if I focus on that, I can come up with something badass and fun that I would really like to play, not just develop. That's my like that's what I want after I get like my first bit of success. That's what I want to do. Cuz I think if I focus on that, I'll get like mad success after that. What do you think of this game though, bro? This game's kind of weird. Let me get Sumo Ball then. What do you mean you want to get Sumo Ball? Bro, I can't just give it to you. Can't just give you my baby. That's like my baby, bro. If you don't want to finish it, you'll buy it. How much you buying it for, bro? The last offer was $150. I'm like, hell fucking no, bro. You got me fucked up. But realistically, if you actually wanted to buy it, how much would you buy it for? You know, G Dun was like, I think G Dun, bro, the owner of Farming and Friends, was interested in it. I don't know. He was like, he wants to do something with it. But I just like, I don't entertain. I've never really entertained any of that. How much you want? That's a good question, bro. Um, it's got like, I don't know. It's got two bugs right now that are easy fixes. That I would want to fix before I gave it off, if I did give it off. Personally, it's got two bugs with the ball. They're not like common, but they still happen enough. And then the knockback needs to be polished. I'd want to work on that too before I gave it off. But I don't really know how much I don't really know how much I would give for it. Like that's a good question. I'd probably want to, if anything, I don't know. I'd probably want to partner with somebody on it, to be honest, if I'm being completely real. Because I think it has a lot of potential. I'd want to partner probably, but if I did sell it, dude, I don't even know. I really have no idea. Like, I have no idea. Yeah, what do you think of this game, bro? What do you think of this game? This game is like, I don't know, bro. It's like it feels like it could have been really fun and good, but it's just missing something. Like the gameplay is not really doing it for me, bro. But I like the jumping and like the dashing. That's cool, but it's like you can double jump nonstop and go like super fast, and then you can slide and shit. But I feel like it could have been a little bit more consistent or better. Not consistent, but just like a little bit more put together. I don't know, bro. Modeled all day, Coney? Damn. You're back flaming? What's up, bro? Bro, I got into a helicopter and the cops killed me. What are we talking about, guest? It's cool, not my type of game, yeah. I think they got something here though, but it just is like I don't know. It's weird. Look, I'm in a match, right? And I'm in a part of the map where I'm never gonna see anybody. That's dead space. That's like that causes like dead gameplay. So now, and that happened to me the last time I played it too. So one thing's for certain, they need to get their maps worked out because this map is fucking huge for no reason. Everybody's at this one area. Why is the map so big? Why can I explore and go do nothing basically? Like I can go explore right now and do nothing and find no fights or whatever. So it's just like they need to fix the maps for sure, I think. Um they're way too fucking big. And this was the last map I played too where it was a boss fight, not team deathmatch. Did I just get a kill? I don't really even know. Like I don't have any sounds on. I have no idea. I think tomorrow you can play my new game I'm working on. Hell yeah, bro. I'm down. How long you been doing Roblox dev? Since 2021. Either make the map smaller or up the server size. Well, it would be just you'd have to make it smaller because even if you'd up the server size, if players are migrating to a specific place and only staying in that one area, like we finally moved over here, but for what reason? Because nobody was coming back to our base or back to our spawn. So we finally migrated to like this area or whatever. Um, but yeah, it would just you if players are migrating to a certain area, whether there's more players or not, it's not like you can add in double the player count. You know what I mean? Like it's not as simple as that. So you would still have to make the map smaller and more just easier to get around. Like what is this, bro? Like I can go over here. Like bro, we can go explore. Oh shit, he is fucking me up right now. I'm almost dead. This guy is like on my ass. Like he really wants to fucking kill me. Like look, here's more map. Here's this map is huge, bro. Yeah, he was following, he was chasing me down, dude. He was chasing me down. Yeah, see, like we haven't even gotten to I feel like we haven't even gotten to half the map because I've seen so many hallways I could go down that I just haven't yet. That's you. RZ, what the fuck, RZ? Bro, Fastlocks, did you like Sumo Ball? Because you're interested in it. So did you like it or nah? Or do you just see the potential? I'm almost committed to stop working on this grow game, bro, and just go to Sumo Ball, to be honest. Because I'm tired of this grow game. But this grow game's literally like, a week. Like, I was going to say a few days, but more so a week away from being done programming-wise. Just take a break from grow game. Yeah, it's cool. Not my type of game, but you never know these days. Got you. Just take a break from grow game. Yeah, I kind of want to. But I need something. I need to push something out. Like ASAP. Like, I need to keep pushing shit out until I get success. So that's kind of where I'm at. How'd you even find me, RZ? Like, what the hell? Are you stream sniping? Stream sniping? Are we dead ass? That's crazy. See, now I'm in third person. Like, bro, like, the movement is good in this game. The movement's good. The animation, the fact that it's a crab, that's really good. Like, there's a lot of good things about this game, but there's just like, bro, the maps are way too big. That's a free fucking model. They're using free models? Are they dead ass using free models? Like, dead ass. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but like, crazy. Are you an OG Roblox player? No, I'm not. I'm not. Yeah, fast. I want to take a break from it, bro, but it's just like, it's so close to being done. I feel like I need to get it out just to drive, just so I can just drive traffic and call it a fucking day, bro. To be honest. And then just move on from, I'd rather get it done so I don't have to come back to it and then just move on from it, to be honest. The fact that I was stream sniping and I only saw you twice says a lot about the map. Yeah, the maps are not good. The maps are way too fucking big. This is the boss fight. I don't understand this one. Like, I don't really get this. I don't know. And I don't, like, let me turn the Roblox sound on because I can't hear shit. So, okay, it is automatic. I kept, like, there's no VFX on my gun, so I didn't know if I was shooting consistently or not. Oh, there is VFX. I'm just not paying attention. Stay locked in, then stop playing Crab Royale. I know, bro. I'm just trying to, like, understand this game a little bit. Because this is what I like about the game. This is what I like about the game, bro. And I think this game mode is gas. But I still don't really understand it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fast. I just had a fucking amazing idea. Oh my god. I just had a fucking crazy good idea, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. I might actually have just cooked like a really big Roblox game in my mind. I don't know if it exists or not, but that would be sick. W movement though. They really did a good job with the movement. Like, this map feels a lot better, bro. This is a good map. This is a way better map. I don't know what the fuck all that is over there. I feel like I could get lost over there if I were to go over there. But this might be a W map, bro. The hold is broken. If you hold after you reload, it breaks it. Got you. So the idea is a game that revolves. Is this a player? First of all, is this a player? This right here, is this a player? So the idea is to have an like a movement FPS, or just like some type of like FPS game like this, right? But you don't have any team deathmatch stuff. You don't have any team deathmatch stuff. Every single match is killing the boss, and a player is the boss, and the boss gets picked at random every single match, unless you like maybe pay to be the boss or something. I don't know, but maybe there would be still a queue system or something like that. But yeah, it would literally be like a targeted boss, bro. And because it made me think, I've never seen a game like, I've never seen an FPS game on Roblox like this. And then if you go to if you know of Fortnite creatives, when they first dropped shit, like the most popular games on Fortnite creatives were boss fights like this. But the player wasn't a boss. It was an AI. It was like NPC. It was not AI, but you know what I mean. It was an NPC. So I wonder if this is an NPC. I think this guy's an NPC. If you made the player, yeah, he does. You'd have to like tone down the health, I think, maybe, or maybe not. Maybe not, because this is like engaging, bro. But you definitely would maybe like. I still don't know, bro. I still don't know what the bottom buttons are. I still don't know what the bottom buttons are, bro. I still don't even know what the controls are, bro. I don't know what the controls are. This UI is clunky. It's such a good game, but there's so many things that could be better about it. That's a good idea, I feel like, though. But yeah, on Fortnite creatives, bro, the main games for a long-ass time was boss fights like this. But they were shit games, though. I don't know how they got to, like, 60 to 100k plus current. Fucking, like, shitty-ass buggy boss fights. I don't know. Fortnite's weird. Alright, I am gonna get off, though. Really decent. There's a lot of good stuff in that game. I helped make a game called Fight with Random Gear and Fight with Random Gear 2. Nice. It's a player. It's Dinosaur. He has 46 kills. Got you. Lit. That's smart. They need to take out... Alright. Stuff they need to do to fix that game, bro. Get rid of those fucking shitty-ass maps. Like, cut out 75 to 80% of the map, bro. And keep the 20% that players are focusing in. Then, take out Team Deathmatch. Just take out Team Deathmatch. Like, you don't even need Team Deathmatch, I think. Just keep it boss fights. Keep it focused. Like, focus on the boss fights. I think the boss fight was the funnest part about that game. The Team Deathmatch just really felt like a kind of, and it could have been map related, you know, because that did cause a big issue, but it just wasn't as fun or engaging, bro, you know? You should play it. I really gotta get work done, bro. Can I, like, pin your shit for later? Or just link it in the server and I'll play it later. Fight with Random Gear. Here, I'm gonna actually, I'll look it up and put it in the server. Yeah, dude, that's a good idea, bro. But are there other games on Roblox like that? Because that was the first I've played where they had boss fights like that. Little decent 9 mil? Little 9 mil? Holy shit, 2016? That's long as hell. That's long ago. That's like super long. That's like really long, bro. But I love the crab theme, though. I think the crab theme is really good. All right. Okay, parent key. Let me see how I'm adding the boost for pets. So that'll be easier. That could actually, like, take away a lot of the shit. On updated booster per model key. And model key is the growth model key, I think. Uses Roblox gears, got you. Yeah, I am so burnt on this freaking grow game, dude, honestly. But this is my tiny ass list, bro. This is my tiny ass list. Like this right here is my list. That's literally it. That right there, bro. And then we're pretty much done. And then it's just like maybe little polishings here and there. Do you have any ideas for movement managers that update multiple walk speeds quickly? Like, what do you mean, RZ? Can you explain? You're drinking coffee? Did you have your coffee today? I did. I had a little bit of coffee earlier this morning. Um, and then but yeah, I'm drinking. I just had a protein. I just drank a protein shake, and then I'm probably gonna have like a little vitamin water thing. Yo, what up? What up, Leo? What up, bro? You can't explain it? Am I good at Grow Garden? No. I would say no. Like, I mean, it's I don't know if how you can be bad at that game though. You're literally just growing food. Like you're just growing plants and fucking selling it. Take a limitless pill ASAP and lock in saving. I know, bro. I need to. I can't. I fucking haven't written any code since I started streaming, bro. How long have we been streaming? 36 minutes and I haven't done shit. Shit. Explain it, RZ. And RZ, bro. What's up with the workout? How'd your workout go, bro? I'm gonna do something here a little bit. I'm gonna write some code and then do something. Do a little something, something. Do a little something, something. Do 100 push-ups? No, thank you, bro. Maybe when I get an extra kettlebell, I'll start doing push-ups again. I only do push-ups at the park because I use the bars. I don't like doing push-ups on my floor, bro. I don't know. I don't like touching the floor. I gotta wash my hands. My shirt will hit the floor. I feel like my shirt's dirty. Like, is that weird? That's just how I feel, bro. Like, I got cats that walk around. Like, I don't know, bro. I just feel like I have to take a shower every time I do push-ups. Dead ass. If you need anims, I can help. Need to start. I forgot to do dumbbell curls. Why? With anims? If you need anims, I can help. You need to start practicing again. Bro got the solution but ignored. Use a towel on the floor and no shirt. Yeah, but then the towel's slippery. It's not like carpet, it's a wooden floor. The towel like slips and that'll be annoying as hell. I mean, wouldn't it? Wouldn't the towel like fuck up your shit and make you fall? I don't know. That is actually kind of a good idea though. I never thought of that. I never actually thought of that. I got a great exercise, but you have to get on your knees for it. Yeah, I'm not, you know me. I'm not getting on my knees. I ain't getting on my knees, bro. People that get on their knees are crazy. Now, if I had like a fucking and you know what I mean by that, right? You know what I mean by, hold on, you know what I mean by that, right? You know what I mean by that, right, RZ? Right, chat? People that get on their knees are crazy. That's all us men work for. Big, strong, rich, powerful. Wait, what? You live in the U.S.? Yeah. Bro, what RZ? Or not RZ, but fast locks? What are you talking about? The soundboard is crazy. Dude, you missed the streams. We were fucking around with that shit so hard. That shit was funny as fuck. Like, when we first got it, we were trolling somebody in chat. And, like, it was so fucking funny, bro. Dude, that shit was funny. Oh my god, that was so funny. Fuck. I sent the movement manager in scripting. It's confusing though. What state are you in? I'm in Wisconsin, bro. Can I see the game? I have not seen it since yesterday. I think it's in the same. It's the same. It's the exact same that it was yesterday, I think. I don't really know. I'll show you in a second. I sent the movement manager and scripting. It's confusing though. What are we talking about movement manager, bro? Statuses? Just use states. States. Well, unless you want to use statuses. I mean, I don't know. So what do you want to know about this, RZ? I just feel like off the rip, I just feel like you're doing something in a weird way. Like you're doing something in like a very like overly complicated way. Easy to script? What are we talking about? Is lacrosse Wisconsin as crazy as it is, bruh? Is lacrosse? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not from here, so I don't know. Is easy to script? No, it's not. Play some white girl music? You're wilding, bro. I have to update players' walk speed, jump height, but there are multiple states that happen in a short time in a statuses table. In their statuses table. I have to update player walk speed and jump speed. I mean, bro, I don't know. I feel like you're overcomplicating it though with all that code I just looked at. It's not that deep. I don't know. It just feels like a lot of writing for something that's not that deep. It just feels like you have this right here, server state handler, Statuses, you have this. And then you have, then you're getting the status. And then you're doing all these, I don't know what this check is supposed to do. Equals, if hashtag equals 0 and walk speed, yeah, so. Like, I mean, I've tried to simplify it multiple times. I mean, dude, it's as simple as, like, this is what I do. This is what I do if I have a state per player, okay? I either have a dictionary, all right? So I either have a dictionary, so local, state per player is what I'll call my dictionary. And then I'm using, and then that's going to be player keys, okay? So player. And then the value is going to be a string, all right? And then it's literally as simple as just making, you know what I mean? Like, it's just changing the state and going off of what their current state is. That's literally it. So, like, are you saying you have, you're like, they could be running and all this other stuff at the same time? I'm just kind of confused. I'm just like kind of confused on what you're doing. This song hits hard, crock pot, turn it up. Are you serious? Dude, it's so funny, bro. Yo, what up, man? What up, bro? So I have to know they're updated. What's supposed to accomplish? The code we're looking at, RZ's code. Yeah, one player. Yeah, that's the hard part. What's the hard part? So I have to know their updated walk speed for the next state to know what to set their walk speed at? What are you saying? All you do is check to see what state they're in. All you do is check to see what state they're in. You don't need to do anything. There's nothing crazy. And is this on the server? Because you don't even need something on the server. Just do it all client-sided. Just do it all client-sided. Literally. All client-sided. You keep track of the state. Anytime the player's state is changing. Yeah, no. Listen. It could be as simple as either you have a table like this. Do it all client-sided. When you're doing stuff, I told you this the other day. When you're doing stuff with the character, all client-sided. All client-sided, dude. All of it client-sided. Stop. Don't sit there and try to do stuff like that on the server. When it comes to like character movement, okay? You're not explaining it well enough? Well, yeah, I don't think you really gave much details over what you're trying to do, but what is YouTube chat on? YouTube? YouTube chat is on YouTube chat. I could easily move this to the movement client. I could easily move this to the movement client listener. I'll do that. Yeah, do that. Shit. Thought it was on the space. What? Dude, oh my god, you guys. Roblox AI is in our chat. Roblox AI infiltrated chat. Roblox AI literally infiltrated chat. Bro, it's the PSYOP. It's literally the PSYOP, bro. Yo, bro, do you want to be one of the first people to play my new game on Roblox? I'm not an AI on moms. We're talking about Minecraft. We're talking about Minecraft. So if I update someone's jump height and their updated state or walk speed, say that again? Did I miss something? Yeah, say that again. The next state updates to 0, but not jump? What? RZ, what? RZ, right in here. RZ, right in here, what you're trying to do in game. What is the gameplay gonna look like, all right? What is the gameplay gonna look like? Because then off of that, I can understand how to build it or how I would go about building it. Write what you want to happen in the game. Don't write what you're trying to do in code. It's much better. Like, even though we're programmers, right? It's much better to explain what's happening in gameplay. Don't even go over any code. Just explain what's happening in gameplay. All right? It's much better to explain that. That's how you can really get your point across. 100% in AI, you do be correct. Here's proof. Beat, boot, beat, boot. I told you. Roblox AI has infiltrated chat. And I know it's Roblox AI, bro. They're watching it. It's the PSYOP. It's the PSYOP, bro. I can't do anything about it. It's literally the PSYOP. He does not deserve to be banned today? What are we talking about? Yo. I just joined. What you working on? We're working on getting this water system out, bro. This water system, this watering system. It's almost done actually. Like literally 2 minutes left until it's done, to be honest. I'm not even gonna cap. Not 2 minutes, but maybe 5 or 10. 5 or 10. Yeah, it's where you water the plants and give them a boost. That's what we're working on, bro. And I deadass think I just finished that part. The only thing left now is to add a I don't even remember. Fuck it. Did we actually just finish? Is this all that there is? I mean, I know that I need to make new variables for the water boost so that I can run the UI, so the worship boost and the water boost are separate, the UI wise, but I think that's all that's left for it. Let's test it. You using different script for defining class? What do you mean? This face cam is weird. There's a weird script editor. What are we talking about? I did something wrong here. Garden Light Edition. You know their backpack is on the dev forums. What about it? And what do you mean you mean the backpack UI like this? Like this? Because I made all this from scratch. And mine's actually technically better. Mine's got better, my backpack has more functionality than Grow Gardens. But it's like whatever. Got you. Is it being called? I'll be right back. I need to check on the cat. I'm gonna try more sets, bro. I'm gonna get better with this workout. Dude, I'm sore as fuck. I'm sore as fuck. Fuck. That actually has me sore from yesterday. Or the day before, whichever it was. Fuck. The new Mind's Eye? No. I really want to get better at that workout. I feel like I'm not good at that workout, bro. Like my twist just doesn't feel as good as it could be. Jackpot dev. We'll see, bro. We're trying to get there. We're trying to get there, bro. We'll get there eventually. Do a flip, you're wilding. You're actually wilding right now. Alright. Alright, I'll look in a second. RZ. That actually sounds good, but it has too much bass. There's like bass in the background. That'd be perfect if it didn't have that bass. What am I scripting? This sound or no? Is this a good one or no? Thoughts on Ian's XXL freshman freestyle? Are we fucking dead ass? No, like, are we dead ass? Get out of here, faceless. Get out of here, bro. No one's watching that hot garbage. This sound, though, is it cooking? No, it has a weird end to it. It has a weird end to it. Yeah, I don't think so either. All these have like weird basses on them. They have like weird background. All these have like weird fucking background noise, bro. That's like a decent one, but I don't like it still. Dude, what is up with like the weird vacuum noises on these? Every single one has it. Like, I usually don't get that. Turd. Yo, thanks for the follow, Sergius. Turd in a toilet. Yeah. That's what I should search up. That one was nice. Nah, it still has an abrupt ending. So like when I look for a sound, bro, what I'm looking for is satisfying sounds, okay? And when you have little tiny bits of even like the smallest bit of background noise over time, that starts to like subconsciously fuck with you if you don't notice it already. And then you have like abrupt stops to a sound. Like this one still has, you can hear it, it cuts off and you can hear that cut off. You know what I mean? That also is like not good for a satisfying sound effect. So that's like the two things that I look for: background noise and then how fast it cuts off. Or if it shouldn't cut off like that at all. You shouldn't notice it stopping like at all. So yeah. You said look up water drop. See, this would be good. There's like a barely little, I don't know if you guys can hear it. There's like barely a little bit of background noise, but then there's a cutoff. Background noise. Go live, Aura King. What is Aura King? Yeah, these are ass. These are just not good. Yo. That sounds like a toilet. Ew. Yeah, these are not good so far. Yeah, these are just not good. All right, what's the next one? Wash. Wash.
I know have your shirt. I know have your shirt. Come on.
Perfect. No, you're wowing. Fuck no. I'm just search up water. Why is it so hard to find a water sound on here? I usually don't have this much trouble. Like, we haven't found a single sound that doesn't have background noise or a cutoff. Or just isn't, like, crazy annoying like this water drop one. Like, dude, if there wasn't that crackling and stopping, bro, that'd be a good one. What about magic water? Search that up. Like a spell, maybe? Alright. Okay, water spell is... You can't search up water spell for some reason. Jesus Christ. Uh...
Nigger. 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 Nigger.
Am I hearing that right? Sponge? Yeah, I could try sponge. If it didn't have... If it didn't have, like, the... That's clearly a water sound? Like, what do you mean? This one's good, but it has that ending of, like, that weird second ending.
Nigger.
It has that second sound, bro, which is so annoying. This is the best one we found so far. I think this one's it. Just because it's the best one we found. Or this one. Is this one better? Yo, what up, Mad Lover? Is this one better or no? Give me the context this will be used in. Basically, like we're gonna have a watering can and we're gonna be like clicking to give a boost to our growth. Our water's gonna get depleted out of the watering can, but as we're clicking, we want a sound effect of splashing water. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I like this one. I think we found two good ones so far, bro, but I'll look up Sprinkle. We'll see what happens. We found two decent ones, though, that I'm probably going to use one of those.
Welcome to
Fire the sprinkler!
Yeah, Sprinkle ain't it. Sprinkle ain't it. Sprinkle ain't it. Sprinkle ain't it. And that don't even come up. Alright, yeah, Sprinkle ain't it, bro. We got two. We got two. We're alright, bro. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. I'm gonna try to do that workout again, bro. My legs are sore as fuck from it, and I didn't even notice. Like, that's crazy, bro. My legs are actually sore from doing that. And I didn't even notice. That's wild. I gotta pick my wedgie out first, bro. This so tough. Tough. That shit's so tough. What are we talking about? Alright. We're gonna get this workout going. Let's cue the music. Cue the motherfucking music, you feel me? And then we're gonna get right back to coding and finish this water effect. I gotta look at my posture while I'm doing it. But should we do another one? Wait, what did they do? I don't think I like that. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't like that, like, movement. It feels weird. It feels weird to me. Maybe I'm not doing it right, though. But this one I do like. I just need to get better at it. Yeah, that like first one I was doing, I don't like that. I'm doing a kettlebell workout, trying to get better at the kettlebell. That shit got me sore as fuck though. I might take a rest day from the kettlebell just so I can stop being sore. Cause it's harder to focus on my form because I just started doing it. I mean, that's a way of doing it. That's a way of doing it. I'd have a server script though, controlling your module and being the one that's communicating with your client. So yeah. Yo, what's up, bro? I don't think I was doing that first workout wrong, but it didn't feel good. Yo, what up, Lazoom? What up? We're Lazoom, check out this camera, bro. Is this a good camera or no? W camera or no? How's it going? It's going all right. We just did a small workout with the kettlebell. Took it easy. Camera kind of mid. It's my laptop camera. It's not supposed to be like good. It's just another view. You just got fajitas done. The view is W. That. What tats do I got? You just got a Fada's piece done. What's a Fada? I have, let's see. All right. That right there. That right there is a portrait of my little brother. That right there is dates of my little brother and my best friend. And then this right here is Chloe. That says Chloe, and then that's my best friend. And then that's a dagger going into a monster mouth with blood coming out. And this right here is from the anime. It's from the anime fucking Claymore. It's an awakened being, and she's coming out of a like monster heart. I found the monster heart online, and he just kind of like copied it. I didn't really want that, but like whatever. I don't really care. It looks good either way. Like fuck it. And then I have the coffin with rope on it on a spider web. And then I have the snake. The snake and then leaves in between. Sorry for your loss, bro. Wow, thanks Fruit Bars. Fat ass piece. Okay, I mean with the other view we can see your arms. What? I don't even know if I can show this one. It's Peter Pan. Yeah. Bros yadded. W tattoos. I don't know the English word. Yeah, it's tattoos. Yeah. Yo, what up, Cork? What's up, bro? All right, let's get some work done. Are you peacing out, Fastlocks? Oh, you're back. What's up, bro? You just missed me showing off all my tats, bro. Chat wanted to know about my tats. Coffee plus crockpot equals unlimited energy. Yo, wild take. It's factual statement though. It's factual statement. Why you work on that? I'ma go bum off. Alright. I don't know what that means, but alright. Do your thing, King. Do your thing, King. Do you have any advice for young, depressed teenagers that have it rough and contemplate if life is worth living? Oh, and I also have an alcoholic father who hits me. Yo. That is like a massive... That is a massive bomb drop, bro. Holy shit. Fucking shit. Is it? It's a massive fucking... Like, what am I supposed to say to that? That was a massive bomb drop. I'm laughing because it made me uncomfortable, though. I had a similar upbringing. The only thing is don't stay where you're at. Go get help. Yeah, I know. Yeah, get help, bro. Like, if you're actually in a situation where your dad is an alcoholic and beats you, then, you know, that's a sad thing, but you need to get help. You need to get out of that house and seek authority. Like, you can't stay in that. All right, bro. Peace out. Peace out, Quirk. I hope things get better for you. I cannot take that shit serious, bro. I just can't. Holy fuck. Fruit bars. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, bro. Yo, what up, Hydra? What up, bro? I love the Pepe stuff. Alright, we're just gonna copy this right here. Because this is what's handling our explosions and shit. And so we're just gonna copy this and bring it over to our growth. We should start a segment where people call in and you give us life advice in Roblox terms. Roblox terms is crazy. What up, Deemnam? Roblox terms is crazy. What he was saying though, it's weird because I actually had a similar upbringing, so it's like, what the fuck is happening in my chat right now? But yeah, I think he was lying and he just wanted a reaction. I guess he got one. Nah, but I think laughter, like, bro, I don't give a fuck if I'm laughing at some crazy information. I don't think that makes me a bad human being. I think laughter can be a sign of being very uncomfortable. Or just like, yeah, something like that. So it's like, well, I just think it's whatever. I give zero fucks at the end of the day, bro. To be honest. You just create methods within init? No. No. I'm moving away from knit after this project, by the way. I'm just using knit still just because I was already in a flow. I already had like a workflow set up with it, and I didn't want to take the time to develop another one or use another one. And so for the sake of time, I chose to stick with it for this project. No, you're good, bro. I was playing. Everyone handles things differently. I know, bro. I know. Yeah, I wouldn't care if you were serious. I'm chilling either way. That was the weirdest. That was like the most, like, it was just so out of fucking pocket. Like, goddamn. And then he was like, okay, bye, though. He was like, and my daughter just died. Okay, bye. Like, what the fuck are we talking about? Yo, what is Ty live about? What are you talking about? Thanks for the follow, D-Man. D-Nam. How has your day been? My day's been pretty good. My day's been pretty good, actually, honestly. I got a lot of work done. We had a good-ass stream earlier for like 5.5-hour stream earlier. That was really fun. That shit was actually fun as fuck. And I just been getting work done. This game's just getting done, you know, day by day. Setting up the water blast right now. Just I already have the UI effect. I just have to you know, set it up or whatever. I'm looking for my hatching. There it is. I'm just copying and pasting this effect in like another script because there's other effects going on here. Water components, water components. Bro, these kids steal a brain rot game mad seriously. My friend stole a legendary pet from some kid in the game, and the kid was legit crying in the voice chat. Oh my god. That is crazy, Hydra. Jesus Christ, bro. What do you do with that? Like, what are you supposed to do with that? That is crazy. What's booster components? Oh, I know what that is. I know what that is. I know what that is. Dude, I'm literally just gonna copy and then change out the text because it's the same damn shit. Yeah. Still shit. Have you read the article written by the creator of Knit? I read like I read the 2 sentences that were important out of that whole thing, bro. Like that shit was just full of fluff. Honestly. Fluffy ass article, bro. I'm not gonna take time to read all that. But I read the part that was important. So yeah. And I would say now that I use types and I realized how much I use types just from using the LSP within VS Code. I would have to agree. But that being said, Knit for its time when it was created, I think was the best or one of the best ways you could develop games on the platform. But now that we have IntelliSense and types, it's not. What was I getting? This right here. I'm tripping balls right now. Why is there only 9 people watching? There should be more. I think 9 is crazy good, bro. Like, honestly. I'm even surprised there's 9. I wasn't paying attention. Hold on, let me share this live. I'll be back. Sounds good. Sounds good, Damien. Thanks for the share, bro. Appreciate you. Oh, I gotta check RZ's scripting stuff. I forgot all about that. I am one state slow jump. Oh my god, RZ. Bro. Did you? I just don't understand RZ right now. Bro, read 2 letters from that Discord message. Bro, read 2 letters. Bro, I don't understand the Discord message. It's like all flunky, bro. You got this freaking arrow here that's confusing my brain. You got these quotes, and it's just not... Yeah, like, this is just not a good detailed message, to be honest, bro. Like, I don't want to even read every single bit of it because it's just already confusing me, to be honest. The states overlap each other. What this system does is ideal with the conflicting states. I honestly locked in for this, but I feel like there is a better way to do it. The states overlapping each other is a detail that I think is more important. But this right here, dude, like, what is this? This makes me have dyslexia, bro. Like, I can't read that. Yo, what's up, Builder Beast? Say, might be time to tell him to ChatGPT that shit and move on. You're funny as fuck. I don't even think ChatGPT would be able to help RZ right now, bro. I don't. Because the way he's communicating, you have to be very specific and detailed to get a good answer out of ChatGPT. I don't know what this is right here. This is making me... I can't read this. I literally can't. I'm not even kidding. I don't know. I'm trying to read it, but I can't, bro. It's crazy. But that's a common thing though, bro. Is I feel like I could do that sometimes too, is not explain myself well when trying to go over a mechanic that I'm building out. But the best way I think to do it is explain. Don't go over any code. Don't mention states. Don't mention anything. Don't mention anything in regards of programming. Just like explain what's happening in game. So like, for example, that crab game we were playing. I'm jumping. I'm able to, as I'm jumping, I should be able to dash. While still be able to double jump. But then I can't do any of those until I land. See that? Like, that's like nothing I said was programming. And now I'm able to actually like visualize what I just said, or like somebody else is able to visualize what I just said. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I feel like, yeah. I need to change the image to this, images. Splash image IDs. Okay. Quick question, do you give out Robux? Nah, I don't do giveaways, bro. And I probably never will. I just don't see the point. What's happening? Right now I'm working on this this splash mechanic, like this splash effect that's gonna go off every time you boost a plant. So I'm working on that, and then yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, I gotta go over here now. Fuck. Explosive. Actually, I could just keep this. It would be actually easier. Nah, fuck it. I'm already doing it this way. Fuck it, bro. And then I'll just go over here. Oh wait, I already have it. Okay. Explosive image IDs. There we go. All right. I think we're in good. I think we're doing good now. Yo, what up, Angel? I'm like still going over what RZ sent me, bro. How's my game going? It's all right. We're about to test here in a second. Yo, what up, Austin? What up, bro? After you show, I'll go to sleep. Sounds good. I'm gonna show here in like a minute or two. Oh, that state is still acting like black. Okay, this is what I'm saying. I don't know if RZ's still in chat, but like, bro. Yo, what up, Bacon? What's up, bro? Why was someone asking for Roblox giveaways? I have no idea, bro. People be like that. They be thirsty, bro. I don't know. I was kind of like that as a kid, bro. I always wanted stuff. I always wanted stuff as a kid. But what I really wanted was the care and love of a parent. So it's just kind of crazy, bro. So maybe I understand where he's coming from. How old am I? Angel, I'm 30. 31. Let me just, I gotta set up one last thing for this, and then we're good. You don't think I'm 31? Saying when I was a kid is something only for 40 plus, bro. Yo, anybody can say when they were a kid. Like, what are you talking about? Even kids say when they were kids. Like, come on, bro. I'd guess 25. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it, bro. Shit. What am I doing here? I forgot. Let me see. Let me just look at this real quick and I'll just copy paste again. It's the same shit. Right here. Oh, this is on big action. The fuck? How old do you think I am? Angel, how am I supposed to know that? I have no idea. Aren't you the angel from Discord? I guess 25. How long to polish? I think Angel is 13. That's actually wild. Well, if it's the angel from Discord, I know she worked at like 7-Eleven or some shit. I don't even know. Alright, I'm about to test right now. Yo, what up, Monk? What up, bro? I just need I need that water effect. I need that water effect. Is this shit like loud or not? It is kind of loud. Turn that shit the fuck down. No, Ricio is the one that worked at 7-Eleven. Oh, okay. Not you. Lazoom, you cooked that goo. This goo is Brazilian. What are we talking about? I don't even know what's happening in chat right now. It's my first time in Twitch. Julio. Yo, what up, Julio? Oh, we're speaking goddamn Portuguese and shit in the chat. That's lit. Dude, I think it's cool as fuck when like people in chat like meet each other and start fucking talking and shit. That's kind of crazy, isn't it? I just feel like that's a crazy thing. Alright, are we ready to test? I want to say we are. We'll see if this works. I don't know if it's going to though. Am I even connected? No, I'm not. Alright, let's see what we broke. Let's see what we broke. And that's what I'm talking about right now. Attempt to iterate over nil value. Make an anime game? Dude, I want to. I have an idea for what I think would be a really big hit on Roblox. I think Roblox community would love it. And I would really love to make that game a reality. But yeah. Yeah, it's not working. I don't know why. Let me see. What did I do here? This is why it's not working. What the? Bro, search my shit up. This is why it's not working right here. I don't have it connected yet. Well, good night. Good luck coding. Thanks a lot, Angel. Have a good rest of your whatchamacallit. Your night. It's not working. Didn't work on first try. Terrible coder. Facts. Facts, dude. That's facts, bro. You're right. Attempt to index no with get attribute? What? Oh, that's right there. Wait, where is this? Where is this? On water action? Okay. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's see. Now it should work. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Grow a garden? Yeah, it's grow a garden game. Oh, what happened now? Index with attempt to index no with instance. Got you. I love how I like immediately know what it's talking about. That's always good. That's a state of flow right there, bro. Sometimes that does not happen. Shit, is it? It's not that. It's this. I don't understand what you're talking about, but after seeing you a few minutes now, you're really cool. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. I'm not very energetic right now. Usually I'm more energetic. Like during the day I'm a lot more energetic, bro. All right, well this isn't working. Let me see what's that. Oh, I gotta wait. Oh yeah, this should be working. Hold on. I think I know why though. Wait, what is that? Where's my enabled? This is why, right here. So what I'm gonna do right now, just to like bypass this is what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I'm playing a horror game right now. I had to run. No worries, RZ. Hey, I'm lost. I don't know how to do things. I'm always in doubt. Join the Discord, XD. Join the Discord, bro. It's in the description. And then you can. People are really active in that right now, so people are gonna help you out. I don't understand what you're talking about. Hey, buddy, how are you doing today? I'm good, Tragic. Thanks for asking, bro. Oddly enough, I like watching you troubleshoot. I feel like I'm learning. Awesome, Haley. That's awesome. Just gotta do things to learn. Only way you're ever gonna get better is trying and failing. Facts. I wanted to know script too, but I can't learn it at all. I have a YouTube channel, Monk, where I have like dozens of tutorial videos for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Go there. There's a playlist. It's called Beginner. Outside of that playlist, 30 minutes a day of code. 30 minutes a day of code, and eventually your brain's going to adapt to what it's seeing, and you're going to start having clicking moments. So just do 30 minutes a day of writing code. Must build up muscle memory. Your brain's going to start understanding what it's looking at. It just takes time. You got to let yourself adapt. Yo, man, I have a question. How do you focus on scripting for so long? I kind of get distracted easy. Bro, it's just grinding. I know what my goal is, and I don't care how much difficulty or struggle I go through to get it. I need to achieve success. That's all it is, Lazoom. I just need to achieve success. This is what I've chosen to do for myself to get it, and I'm not gonna stop until I get it, bro. And that's all it is. Is Rojo good for smaller scale games? I've seen devs use it with, you know, like big studios for easier collaborating, but I don't know. Yeah, of course. Anybody using Visual Studio Code is going to have a better experience programming in Roblox, especially. You should definitely learn OOP. I don't think OOP is needed, Austin. Like if somebody wants to learn it, go for it, but it's not necessary at all in especially in Roblox. And I would say more times OOP can become a mess and difficult to manage and keep you from being productive than not. It's very easy to create a gigantic mess with OOP if you don't keep yourself in check with it. But yeah, you should stick to functions since you're starting. Yeah, if he's also a beginner, he should not learn OOP yet. He should wait quite a bit. When could play this game? Like in 2 weeks. Within a week and a half, probably. I'll be there on lunch day. On launch day. Bet, bro. Sounds good. I doubt I should learn OOP first. Yeah, don't learn OOP first, bro. Learn... spend 6 months on the basics first before you start with OOP, bro. Do I use OOP? I seldom, so very little do I use OOP. I don't use OOP too much. There's just no need. And I also understand that it can be messy. If I'm not very, very disciplined with it, it can be messy. Our water effects are still not working, bro. Something's happening. Something's happening to make our water effects not work. I think I know why. Like, I wonder if this is even... I wonder if this is returning success. That might be why, but let me also check in to see if I have water on water activated. So this does get set to true. So that should be working. Oh, what is this? What the fuck is this? Oh, that's the egg. Okay, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm in pets. Duh. Okay. Alright. Can water. Enable context can water. Can water. So this should be working. I don't know what the issue is. All I can think of is this is not returning success. So I gotta look at that. So that's not it. So it should be returning success. Oh, wait. Yeah. Alright, let's just do a warn for this, bro. Let's do a warn statement real quick, just so we can see if it's actually printing success or not. Because it might just be like, I don't know. This is weird. Alright. Shit. Want to make a Roblox game so bad, but I don't know have PC for Roblox Studio. That sucks, bro. OOP is object-oriented programming. I would look into it. Crockpot, can I ask how can you rename a single block? How can you rename a single block? What do you mean? I love scripting. It's so satisfying and probably my favorite part. Hell yeah. I use OOP plenty, but it just depends on what you're making. Yeah, there's like if you want to use it, go for it, bro. I'm just saying like it's just like it's not needed, and I'd rather have something be more simple than just use an object for everything or a lot of things. I'd rather use it like I only have one class in this whole game right now, which is the growth object, and that's only because I knew I could get it running quickly if I just created it as a class versus having it set up all the way in, you know, growth service. That would make my growth service a lot more like jam-packed with stuff. Object oriented for yeah, I don't think it's necessary, but I think it's foundational stuff. OOP was one of the first things I learned, and it made it fun for me to continue. Got you. Awesome to you on Discord server. Most OOP things can be done by creating types or attributes. Thanks for the follow, Monk. Hey, how can I rename a single block in Studio? Yeah, I don't know what you mean. Gonna eat? Sounds good, bro. Sounds good. I mean, is rename an object like a part? You just right click and rename it. On God, you don't really need OP. Also, you are starting. Learn how to walk before running. Yeah, facts. I don't think it's running, to be honest. It's pretty simple and took me a day to pick up. Austin, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Austin's a fucking savant, guys. Holy shit. I mean, the other day, the other guy doesn't even know, that's why. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're on track. I'm so confused right now, kind of, the chat. Dude, I missed so many chats, bro. Not in a million years would I think I'd be missing chats because of how many people talk in chat. Like, that's actually mind-boggling to me. It's cool to see you guys, like, connecting with each other, though. I love that shit. It's just dope. Alright, am I testing the... Yeah. So it's printing true. Why is our stuff not getting set? This is why. This is why right here. Wait, let me see if it's actually showing up in our frame, though. If it's not getting created at all, then that's a problem. Let me see real quick if it's getting created at all. Okay, it's not even getting created at all. So that is a problem. So that... But also, I don't think I'm using the word handle in my grow models. I think that's for my eggs. Yeah, I don't have a handle on this at all. I'll just... It's not even running this part, so I'm guessing model doesn't exist? Which doesn't make any fucking sense whatsoever. Dude, is there a way I can, like, add notification sounds in this shit? For chat, or what? Pretty intermediate. No, I was just giving you shit, Austin. Holy crap, hella people follow the channel, I feel like. Damn. I thought I was like able to do a sound effect, bro, if I get messages, but I don't know how. I guess that would be dumb. Maybe I just need to pay attention. I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's get this on. I knew it was that. Why doesn't that exist? That don't even make no fucking sense. It clearly works. It clearly works. See that? And then that? There's no way that it doesn't pick that up. And then this runs, so this runs. That is, I'm not gonna lie, that's weird. That's weird. That's weird, bro. Because it obviously runs. Hello, Jandel, my cat woke me up. Biting your toes? What kind of cat do you have, bro? That's hilarious. Model doesn't exist? What are we talking about here? That doesn't make any sense at all, my guy. Like, what? Oh shit, that's why. I'm using lowercase. Wait, that's not why. Yeah. Jesus, dude. I was using lowercase, bro. That's why. Jandel screen share is off. Oh shit, alright. Nobody on Twitch? I don't know. There's been people in and out of Twitch. So I don't know. Well, hold on. I don't see the water effects. Why is that water sound so goddamn soft? I need to turn out. That water effect is soft as shit. Can't even hear the fucking thing. What the fuck? Where's our fucking thing, bro? It just like deletes itself too fast. I don't understand that. Why does it do that? Why does it think it can do that? Oh, I get it. I think I need to change the key. Maybe? Yeah, I do. I need to change the key. Let me see real quick. But it still doesn't, like, show up, bro. Like, where the fuck is it? Okay, first I need to turn up that sound. You still doing it? What game you working on, Austin? Like, this sound needs to be like fucking twice as loud. I need to be able to hear this. Let me fucking... It works the one time? It just works the one time. Like, what? I don't understand it, bro. I'm starting to not even understand why it's not working. Okay, now it's working, but like, where's the water going? Like, what the hell? Let me test the explosion eggs just to make sure those work, bro. Let me test the explosion effect. You just gotta get used to it, Lazoom. You just gotta get used to it, bro. Like dead ass. Dead ass, bro. Dang, 13 people? That's crazy. I ain't even know. We're at a peak, guys. We're at a fucking peak, bro. Holy shit. Hold on. Oh no, that's broken. That's why. That's why, because the first image on the water isn't even an image, I don't think. I think it's a blank image. So what I did with that was what we did with that was we broke it. We freaking broke it. How did we break that shit? I'm doing props.images, bro. How does that even break? Alright, I don't know, bro. How long you been doing it for? Oh, I do Notepad. Why don't the eggs stack? What do you mean? Like stack on each other? You made a grow a garden 2 syntax? That's cool, bro. Splash images. I'm just gonna test something real quick. I don't know why this would be. I don't know why this would be how it works. I feel like this would be kind of stupid. But let's just see if this works. RZ, I'm so locked into this game. How's it going? It's going good, bro. What game is it? The solution to my problem would have to be loop checking for movement presses. Dude, I think even that is kind of like, yeah, I think you gotta like, bro, I don't even know. I wish you would explain it better. I'm just having a hard time with how you're not like explaining the actual gameplay, I feel like. Why I'm a moderator, what happened? Wow. Finally. Zoom is crazy, bro. Violence districts? So our effects is working. It's just whatever. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. All right, whatever, dude. We'll make it. I don't know why it's having us do that. Like having us like needing us to put it there. But I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna ride with it. All right. And we're instead gonna pass in yeah, we're gonna pass in whatever we want to pass in. Yeah, I don't know why we have to do it like that. I don't know. It should have worked the other way, but I don't really care to know why. I'm just gonna make it work. So that's what we're gonna do. Um, where is our UI? Why are the explosions now watery? I was just testing it, Deezer. I was testing to see if our water was working because it wasn't at first, and I know it is now. I was testing to see, like, I was just testing something to see, like, why, if something could be the reason why it wasn't working, and it turns out it was, and I have no idea why it wasn't working that way, like, because of that. But basically, as we were passing in as a property at a table, a module basically of our config, just a table, which I feel like that should be something you're able to pass in properties. Maybe you're not, but the thing is that it did get the first image, like it did get the first image. It just wouldn't go through all the other images. It's very weird. I don't know, bro. So we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do that. And now it should work. Now let's test it. All right, I'm missing chats, bro. Violence District. I might play it. Want to test my game and to get feedback. I feel my game is too boring and too hard to understand. Yeah, sure, Fastlocks. Sure, bro. Send it in chat. Send it in chat. Or send it in the Discord and I'll see it. Oh my god, it's now not working, bro. I'm gonna kill myself. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? I'm flabbergasted. I'm actually flabbergasted. Fucking Jesus Christ, dude. Fucking jeez. Lasty the Robloxian. What's up, bro? Trying to build an island game? Nice. Is it daytime, bro? It's like night where I'm at, so... I don't understand. I don't understand how I can't use a variable for this. I don't understand. I don't understand how I can't say, hey, make this a variable. What isn't add to date? What isn't at okay. I don't know what's happening right now. I don't understand why I can't make this a variable, bro. I'm actually confuzzled right now. Fastlocks, did you put your game in chat, by the way? I don't see it. I'm genuinely confuzzled. Yeah, it's still not working. It's just not working at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, you know, if we're not even gonna worry about it, bro. We're not even gonna worry about it. We're just gonna do this, bro, because we know this works. So we're good. Like, we know this is gonna work. We know this is gonna work. Function can implicitly return no values. Yeah, whatever. Okay, this is gonna work, bro. For some reason, we can't make it a variable. I don't know what's happening right now. It worked when we didn't make it a variable, so this should work. There, see? That's the stupidest thing ever, though. That's the stupidest thing ever, dude. Is that lit or no? Is that lit or no? Am I cooking or am I not cooking whatsoever? Should I never cook again in my life? I've done no testing and factory upgrades. Game might break. Done in chat. Bro flexing. Who's flexing? You're gonna go eat pancakes? That sounds so good, Lasty. Wow, I'm actually jealous. I'm actually jealous. Yo, what up, Martin? Martin, don't steal our information, dude. You know what? It's fucking Martin just entered the chat, guys. He's gonna take all of our info. He's gonna dox us all. Alright, where's chat? Chat? Build a town? Alright, alright. Let's see what you got here. How long you been working on this? Has this not been done before? Oh, you did the build a base. This is the build a base idea, isn't it? This is my idea. Fast locks. Dude literally took my idea, bro. That's wild. Hey, that's lit though. Not gonna lie. Wait, can I not? Oh, I don't have enough coins. Bro, I was literally on stream for like an hour going over build a base. And this UI at the bottom was my idea. It was my idea. Like, that was my idea, bro. I said the UI would be better if it was at the bottom and you had to click what you needed to put down. And that's what kind of like build a base was fucking up with. But anyways, I don't know if you were in that stream or not, but I did, like, the day we went over build a base, I was going over that. That's it, 30%. 30 percentage? Yeah, you're funny. Alright. I like that. I like that. That's clean. Why am I getting a +5? Why am I getting a +5 for that? The UI looks AI generated. That's wild. Yo, what's up, Deezer? Wait, so what'd you want me to see? What'd you want me to see? Fast locks? Factory upgrades aren't scripted. I mean, dude, I think, like, if you're talking about you don't know what's missing, isn't you just started the game? Get 100 coins and go to crates. Chess? This was my idea too! Wait, no, this might not have been my idea, actually. It was something else. It was similar to this. It was similar to this, but it wasn't this fully. It wasn't this fully. Alright. Jeez. Fastlocks, this might be your best game yet. This might be your best game yet, bro. You need to polish this up. There needs to be sounds, like music and shit. Nice, nice. Fuck. Alright. Wait, what'd you say, Deezer? Yo, these builds are clean. Yeah, I do like the build. I do like the map, actually. Dang, bro just stole Crocky's idea. Funny as fuck. Then you buy 100 animal. Then you buy pin at 100 coins and put animal in pin to make money. What pin? This? Oh, this. So I gotta wait. I gotta wait then. I would say go Fastlocks. Go look at Farming and Friends tutorial. They have a really nice tutorial that they put in not too long ago. Go look at that tutorial. I think you should make it like this. Make it like that tutorial. And also, maybe if I put down something, maybe like opt me, like maybe like shut off the UI. I don't know. I didn't need to have another chance to put one of these down. What is this? Equip. Bro, this is your best game yet, bro. It's smart too. Dude, fuck, man. Now I want to do a build game. Fuck. What would I do? What would I do? What would I do? Because I'm doing Grow Grandma's Hair. What's a build game idea that I could do? I feel like build games would be way simpler, bro. The Grow game, I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot to the Grow system, and the backpack took me like a week, and the fucking Grow system took me a week, and the pets took me a week. Like, there was a lot in there, bro. You blazing? No way. Yeah, bro, this is your best game yet. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really like the hotel game, but I knew that the hotel game could do good. I thought the hotel game was gonna do good just because I understood it and it made sense for the platform, right? But I personally didn't really like it, but I understood it was a good game. I like this though. I like this. Now, the raft game I think was even better than the hotel game. I like that game quite a bit. This game is way above both of those. For sure. What'd Deezer say? I can steal your chicken for the low price of 30 Robux? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. I tried explaining it better. Alright, sounds good. Whole time I was wondering why the stream delay is so bad. Had the video at 0.75% speed for 5 minutes. That's crazy, bro. How do you even do that, Austin? Build a grandma? That's retarded. That's retarded, Deezer. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, build a grandma is not it, bro. What do I do now? Is he level 2 already? He's cooking. He's cooking, chat. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Upgrade. Cool, cool. How long you been working on this, Fast? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This is your best game yet. By far. By far. This exceeds both of your last 2 games. You stole my chicken, bro? Really? You spent Robux in your own game just to steal my fucking chicken? Are you dead ass? Fastlocks is a fucking thief, chat. Are we fucking dead ass, bro? 1 to 2 weeks, I think. Got you. Yeah, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. Let me see. Hmm. Stealing a chicken is diabolical. Facts, bro. Feels like it gets boring. Maybe you don't like playing the game. But I would look at Build a Base. How is Build a Base doing, by the way? I like the game though, bro. I like the game a lot, and I think it has massive potential. Look, Build a Base is at 1.7K, bro. 1.7K, 2.5 mil. Like, yeah, just do what they're doing. Just do what they're doing, but try to fill in that space. Try to fill in that bore factor, I guess. Because I thought Build a Base was kind of boring too. Oh my god, I just had a perfect idea, bro. Fast locks. Bro. I'm like half cooking but half not because I'm not finished with the idea. I have an idea brewing and it's cooking, it's cooking, it's cooking, it's cooking. It's cooking, it's cooking, it's cooking, it's cooking. I'm just waiting on it. I'm just waiting on it to finish cook. I'm just waiting on the cook to finish. 1v1 rivals, I'm good right now, bro, to be honest. As someone that loves making things, this looks really fun. I love customization. Exactly. And I think that's one of the things, bro. I find almost every game on Roblox boring. Like I don't play Roblox games. So that's like one of those things. But I understand why things can do really well, right? So it's one of those things. But I think I might be cooking right now, bro. Hold on. Let me finish the cook. Let me finish the cook. Build a base. Build a town. I've got it. I might have finished the cook. I might have finished the cook. Okay. Build a base has attack base mechanics. Build a town. You're going in. You have your NPCs for your town. And they're doing something. You train your NPCs like you can and build a base. You go into work work the town or something. So I don't know, like the cook isn't finished yet quite, but it's like you're going to like work in the town. So instead of attack the base, you work in the other person's town. And it's based off of like I don't know, I don't fucking know, bro. The cook fell off. The cook might have fallen off. But I feel like I was getting there. I feel like I was getting there, bro. Do something like where build a base has, where you attack the base, but you're doing it with town shit. You're doing it with town shit. I, I was getting there though. I was getting there though. I just didn't finish it. I didn't finish the cooking and it fell off. All right, that's all it was. But it was a spark. It was a spark, and that's all you need sometimes. We're brainstorming, chat. We're brainstorming, chat. 2v1 rivals, bro. I don't want to play rival. I don't want to play rivals, bro. I'm sorry. Come look at your plot. Are we still in here? Okay. Bro, teasers. Teasers always got the setup for plots, bro. Any game we play, this guy's always got the setup. Dude, this is a smart ass game though. Smart ass idea. So like you definitely either way, boring or not, I still think it's gonna do well. Put some background music though in. Because the dead silence is probably what's killing you. Honestly, bro, if anything's killing you, it's the dead fucking silence, bro. Like, that makes me want to hop off. How are you always, Deezer, how do you always have a setup? How do you always have a setup? Like, every game we play, you're always set up, like, within minutes. And I'm struggling for 30 minutes trying to get it, like, set up. Yeah, chill town music. Yeah, for sure. Cooked some mud pie. You know, that's crazy. Good ass, fire ass game, bro. Either way. Fire ass game, either way. But yeah, definitely think of an idea where how build a base has attack other people's bases. Have something where you're doing something in other people's bases, bro. Like maybe like chicken runs or some shit. Like, bro, yeah, pet runs. Nah, that's not a cook. That's a fall off. All right, but you know what I'm getting at, bro. Like, you know what I'm getting at. Think of it. If you can figure out anything like that, that's decent. That's worth trying out. Anything you should add? Fucking music, bro. I really don't know what else you would be able to add. I'd have to think. Like for this stage that this game's in right now, I'd really have to think. Um, and I just don't know. I just don't know off the top of my head. But this is a cook, though. This is a cook. This is a fire game. This is definitely your best game yet, though. I'll say that. Regardless of boring or not. Just the look of it, aesthetic-wise. Um, and just the type of game is just, I think, a lot better. The UI is pretty fire, too. You do put a lot of, I've noticed in your every single project you have, you always, like, make sure your UI's, like, got anims and sounds right away. I always do that shit last. So my shit's always scuffed until, like, after all the programming's done. You make a town and all the plots compete at the Olympics. That's a flop. I'm not gonna lie, that's a fall off. You fell off harder than I did, Austin. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I kind of, like, tripped over and then, like, picked myself up because that's how cool I am. You just, like, fell on your face and now you have to go to the hospital because you broke your nose. Like, that's how hard you fell off, bud. Sorry, dog. I was trying to give you a lifeline. You need to try to give yourself a lifeline instead, okay? Because now you're the one in trouble, bud. Now, chat. Austin needs a lifeline, guys. Help him out. Help him out. Holy shit. Wait, what did Deezer say? This game is broken? What happened, Deezer? Face plant and chipped tooth? Yo. That's funny as fuck. Chat, I sincerely apologize for what I've done. Yeah, you should fucking apologize, you fuck. How dare you? We're spending extra brain power having to read your message. And that's just taking away the focus of trying to help Fastlocks with this game. Like, bro. Ban him, Deezer. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. What's maybe next? Oh my god. XD, aren't you a beginner? It's just funny because, like, that's something somebody trolling would say. Trolling the fact I'm using knit would say. But, like, you're a beginner, bro, so you don't even know. That's crazy. Nitty knit is just a method, which is a type of function where you can use self on a class. But yeah, I would not focus on what knitting is, because if you're, like, a real beginner. Who needs a ban? That's crazy. They're ready to do some. They're dude. Did I fuck up modding certain people, chat? Did I fuck up modding certain people? Cause like they're quick, bro. They're ready to do some shit. That's crazy. Yes, including me. That's fucking nuts. Oh my god, bro. I just love jumping around in games, bro. That's like all I do in Roblox games is jump around. Like I don't do shit else. Like this is my game. Maybe I should make a game where like the the point of the game is to jump around in a circle, bro. That's all I do. Any game I'm playing, I just jump around in a circle. Holy shit. Dude, even in Siege when I'm droning, W idea, wow. Even in Siege, when I'm droning, I'll fucking just jump around with my drone like this. I don't know why. That's kind of weird. It's just something I do. It's like relaxing or something. But I'll like zone out and I won't even know I'm doing it. All right. Yeah, I can't think of anything, Fast Locks. Just can't think of anything. Add more gamble things. I hear a popping sound. Oh, it's when I hover over the proximity prompts. Okay. Got you. I was like, what is this popping sound I keep hearing over and over? But what about for mobile? Like, aren't like UI animations, not sounds maybe, but like animations on mobile, aren't they like pointless? Do they do anything? The ones at least where you hover. Like, aren't hover animations on mobile pointless, or am I wrong? So knit separates server and client logic? Yeah. I thought you were a beginner, XD. I thought you were like massively a beginner. Yeah, hover ones. Holding down and move your finger. Got you. Got you. Bro, how about this? I mean, I don't know. This is like a chill game where you can like build a garden, right? Like you're building a farm essentially. Like you're building a little town or whatever. So attacking doesn't really make sense for this. I don't know, bro. But yeah, I don't know. If you can figure out something where like build a base has the attack bases mechanic, if you can figure out something along those lines that makes sense for this, I think that's it. But I can't think of anything. Like, I can't think of anything past that. Yeah. Let's ask ChatGPT. X chat. X ChatGPT. Add natural disasters and if your chicken survives a tornado. That'd be interesting. For build a base, there is an attack option where you can train knights to attack other bases. If I did build a town where I grow a small town with farm animals and stuff, what would be the equivalent? You're designing a game, blah, 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 blah. Can you just fucking chill and tell me in a few sentences and not a whole gosh damn novel? Thanks, GBT. Holy fucking GBT, bro. If knights attack, like, dude, I just, like, nah, GBT. Why are you fucking with us all the time, bro? Just give us a simple goddamn answer. This thing will go off on the craziest tangents ever, bro. Damn. GBT is not cooking. You damn motherfucking right. The peaceful town version could be sending out trade caravans or visiting other towns to barter, collect rare items, or build relationships. That's interesting. That is a cook. If you build a town where you don't have just animals fast locks, but you have actual citizens of that town, to instead of hop into attack base, you hop into socialize towns, right? It's the same thing as the build a base. So if you played build a base where you attack other bases, I don't know what you would call it, what you would call the socialized shit, but where you basically, instead of hopping in attack town, you go into socialize with town. So like, what do you call that? Build a community? Or like, that's another game idea. Build a community, and it operates like that. Oh my god, I'm cooking. I'm cooking, bro. But it's like where you build relationships, bro, with other people's towns. So you hop in that same situation of what build a base does, attack the base, and then but instead of attacking a base, you get ported into another person's town, and you're just socializing with other NPCs, and you're building relationships, and you have some type of effects or UX that's happening to where you know, okay, they're actually building relationships. Come on, bruh. That's a cook. That's a cook. Build a community. I might make build a community, bro. I might make build a community, bro. I can't even say it because it's such a good idea. I'm gonna say it though anyway. Build a cult. Build a cult, chat. Somebody put an X on your fast locks. Somebody to grow a better garden. You mean grow a better town? Instead of attacking, they would work together to be better. Like grow a garden. Grow a garden. Oh, I got ops. Bro is deaf on algo. I saw it on my FYP, big and bold. Hello, guy. What up, Dobby? What do you mean? What do you mean, Fast? I don't even know. But, dude, Fast, I just laughed so hard because somebody put an X on your game in chat and then posted rivals. I don't know why that was so funny. That was you, Martin? That shit is funny as hell, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Want to rate your avatar? What's your user, Lazoom? Are you in this bitch? Are you in Fastlox's game? Nah, it's just me and Deezer. Deezer's got the setup, bro. He's actually cooking. Deezer's a Robloxer, bro. Like, Deezer's actually a Robloxer. Like, this dude be on Roblox. Oh, no, I'll go now? What do you mean? Wow. Out of 9. Out of 9, I'm gonna give it an oh, this is a tough one. I'm gonna give it a 7.2. I'm gonna give it a 7.2 out of 9. Here's why. I don't like clowns, but very creative and very good choice of clothing. Look at that badass dude. Whoever made this clothing is a really good artist. This guy's a really good fucking artist, bro. Although he fucked up on the chest piece being brown, or is that a shirt? I think that's his chest though, no? He fucked up on the chest piece being brown, and then this is whatever color you want. He fucked up on that, but very good clothing artist. What you mean it looks like you? Oh, okay. Funny, 10 out of 10? That is actually crazy. No, that's actually crazy. What you mean? That's crazy. How do you use knit always or what? I have for the last few projects. I'm moving away from knit after this grow project. I'm not going to be using knit anymore. Shonen Smash. Adding NPCs walking around on your plot. What do you think? I think no. I think that I think you need to make it work the exact same way Build a Base does it. And how you train knights, you would add town members and exercise town members and whatever you want to call it. I'm just saying exercise, you know, like you would exercise the knights and Build a Base. I think you should exercise town members and civilians, citizens of the town, right? That's what I think. That's what I think should do. I think you should do that. Yeah, Crockpot Dev, Itty Bitty City has the same shit. Itty Bitty City. What? Itty Bitty City? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. I was probably like why'd they make it pay? Why'd they make it pay? I played this game years ago on Xbox. We're talking years ago on Xbox. That's crazy. This is bringing back memories with some of my old friends. Dude, I cannot play Rivals right now. That game is so brain dead. Alright, fuck it. I'll 1v1 you in Rivals. What's your Roblox, dude? You've been asking me for like over an hour. Because it's in early beta? Wait, what? Make it so you can't buy a house before you buy a chicken coop. I had to sit and wait 100 points to start the tutorial because I bought a house first. I would just look at Fastlocks. I would look at FAF's farming and friends tutorial. Replicate that shit, bro, and you're good. You're solid. 2% goat. Just got a 2% goat. What's a 2% goat? Bro, do I be having ideas? Do I be having ideas or nah? I feel like sometimes I really cook, bro. Like, that's how I know I'm going to be successful eventually on the platform. Eventually. I just gotta push shit out. Keep pushing shit out. Unless you do it. Yeah, facts. Yeah, facts, but some people don't even have ideas, bro. Like, some people, like, really struggle with having ideas. Like, I'm at least glad that I have ideas. Wait, do I just press play or what? Alright. Just lock in, bro. Make some cash grabs and get rich, and then make really successful game by hiring people. Got you. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I saw you using Roact. Is that React? Yeah. Roact is just the old React. React Lua still uses Roact, by the way. Wait, I can use anything I want? What the hell? What? Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked, Martin. You really wanted to 1v1 me, bro? You really fucked up. You really screwed the pooch, bro. Oh, fuck. No! He was one shot! He was one shot! A fountain of ideas. Most are shitty Olympics. Yeah, dude, I'm not gonna let you kill me again, by the way. What the? Yeah, I'm not gonna let you kill me again, Martin. I'm not gonna let you kill me again, bruh. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. You don't even know where I am. I'm clowning you. I'm clowning on you, bro. You didn't even get me down to 75. You didn't even get me down to 75, bro. I'm clowning on your ass. I need to go play pro fucking rivals. Like, dead ass. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're using OP! You're... Dude just starts using the fucking craziest game, or the craziest fucking gun, bro. What do you mean? He was using like some crazy ass gun. He's using some crazy fucking shit, bro. Yeah, get fucked, Martin. Get fucked, bro. I'm not gonna let you get away with that again, bro. I know now. I know now, bro. Yo. Bro, fucking C-Max, you gonna let that just slide. Oh, shit. Oh, sheesh! Fucking fuck off, bro. Alright, whatever, dude. I'm out of here. I don't want to play I don't even like Marvel Rivals anyway, bro. I don't even like Marvel Rivals anyway. Alright, good game though, Martin. You win. That's crazy. Yo, what up, Can? What up, bro?
Funny.
That was wild. Actually wild. My face? Thoughts on a turn-based games? Like a card game, like Yu-Gi-Oh, or what? I mean, on Roblox, turn-based. I don't know of any. I don't know if those do good or not. Like chess. I mean, I like them. I think they're good, but I don't know if Roblox. I've been kicked from experience or it's moderators. Moderator message. Data failed to load. Try rejoining. Wow. What a crappy game. Easy? You're funny, Martin. Dude really wanted to play Marvel Rebels. I didn't know there was still these kinds of scripting streams anymore, not gonna lie. Yeah, I guess. I'm trying RZ, but it's not letting me. It's like, it's gonna be fucking, yeah, it's just not letting me. I'm not gonna be able to join you, I don't think. Yeah, it's just not. It like kicked me for like data not loading or something. What is this? What is this thumbnail, guys? What am I looking at right now? Look at this fucking thumbnail, bro. Dopey fighters. It's not even like on here now. It was just the homepage. What a crazy thumbnail, though. I wonder why this is 50% likes. Play TS and get an avatar R6 female outfits. Jesus Christ. Blocktails have played it. Like Blocktails. What is that? Oh shit. Look at this. I don't really understand this game too much right now. Okay, if this game gets dislikes, it's because I don't have any weapons and I'm getting killed by a chainsaw. If this game gets dislikes, it's because I'm dying too fast and I don't know what's happening or how I'm dying this fast. Making it like not easy to play. And I have to equip my punching. I have to equip my punching too. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'm out of here, bro. Want to talk on Discord? Not right now, bro. Like Blocktails, if you played it, are you gonna script Grow Garden in the stream or what's up with the title? Yeah, we've been scripting, bro. We've been coding. We just took a little break. Yeah. Yeah, what's up? I think I might get off, bro. I'm actually probably gonna get off. Ink Games? What is that? Maybe tomorrow, bro. I gotta get off, bro, to be honest. It's like 2 a.m. I'm kind of tired. Like I'm getting tired. I'm gonna see where this game is at. Remind myself. W stream. All right, Lazoom. Take care, Lazoom. See where this water's at. Like I think that's lit. Sleep type pumpkin, that's crazy. My bad, I was playing with my friends, still watching on the side though. You're good, RZ. Should add some watering animation with a water bucket. Well, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like, there's no water bucket or spade right now, actually. So I'm gonna add like a dig animation and a watering animation and make it to where you have to get close. Oh, this is not working. Oh, there it is. Okay. See, like that right there, that looks kind of dope, honestly. I don't know why the water effect is so soft, though. I gotta turn that up. I like it. I like it, bro. It's fine. Like it is. Like it'll be fine. But it like breaks. Now it's like broken though. Something happens to where it like stops registering shit. I don't know why. And my value's still true, so I should technically still be able to. So something happens, bro, where it just doesn't. Yeah, that's weird. Like I have to reactivate the can. Alright. I'm gonna get off, guys. Thanks for everybody tuning in to the stream. Oof, fuck, dude. And I will see you guys another day. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks, RZ.